Hey Denver, Crystal Hart here with Exit Realty, another episode of The Reality of Real Estate. The purpose of these episodes is to make sure that you, our consumers, are well educated and that you're not believing any of the real estate myths that are out there. Today we're going to discuss the giant myth that student loans don't affect your loan eligibility. I hear this so many times. I don't have that much debt. All I have is student loans. Guess what? Student loans absolutely count, and it doesn't matter whether it's your student loans, you're carrying your children's student loans, your wife's, your husband, it matters. And with me today to discuss that is my lovely co-host, Shereen Muckerman.
Thank you, Crystal. So Crystal's absolutely right. Student loans do affect your eligibility to qualify for a mortgage. It doesn't matter if they're yours or there's someone else's that you're a co-signer on. That is a debt that we do have to count towards your debt to income ratio. So just to talk a little bit about how that works. When you have a student loan, you will have a monthly payment listed on your trade line for that student loan. That's the payment we will count towards your debt to income ratio. If you do have a payment of $0 showing, you might have it deferred, you might have it in forbearance. If that's the case, we have to take 1% of the balance and count that as the future payment. In rare cases, you might have a zero payment because you're on an income-driven repayment plan. If that's the case, we can count that $0 payment with the proper documentation regarding that being an income-driven payment. That's pretty much the ins and the outs. So basically, we do have to count that payment, and it's the payment listed on the credit report or 1% of the balance.
Yeah, and if you're unsure and you don't know, let us know. Contact us, ask us any questions. I mean, there's so many ins and outs with this, do's and don'ts. You can get away with it, you can't. Let's focus on it. Always reach out and ask. And if you have any questions pertaining to your student loans, how it affects you, or anything else, please leave us a comment, send us a direct message. Reach out to us, give us a call.
Yep.
Yeah.
And one last thing, just real quick, you can backdate a forbearance or deferment. So if you are having a hard time making your student loan payments right now, you've missed a few, go ahead and get in touch with your student loan company. If you're having troubles and you qualify for deferment or forbearance, they will backdate it to when you started to have trouble missing those payments. So that will keep you from having late payments on your credit report, which affects your score in other areas and then hurts your chances for future pre-approval. So contact us for more questions. Otherwise, yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Denver. Have a wonderful day.